Hey guys, Ross Givens here with the Insider Report. Now, last time I sent you a video, I told you about 4 insider stocks we were recommending all at the same time last month. Had pretty good success with those. 3 of the 4 up. One's up 14.8%, almost 15%. The other's up 18.9%. One's up 5.5%, and one of them is down about 8%. So 3 out of 4 shooting pretty good. Average return on those 4 trades has been about 7.8% so far in just under a month. So you extrapolate that over a year, you're talking about roughly 100% return. This is just on the stocks. I'm not even including the option returns on that. So they've done really well. I wanted to tell you about the newest pick I just issued today, June 7th, this evening. So it'll go out June 8th in the morning. And this is the stock. Now, we've just had 2 large insider buys in this back-to-back by the same director. Picked up 30,000 shares at $35 a piece. The next day, another 10,000 shares at 34 and change. Altogether, these 2 trades, the guy put $1.35 million into the stock completely out of nowhere. Now, he's bought before, twice before, got fantastic returns. He bought really opportune last June, over 50% on that one. Bought again last November, over 35% on the stock from there. So we've got an insider with a really good track record, a history of well-timed buys, making some really large purchases. And look, this is a stock insiders don't buy a lot of. There's some that you see executives pick up every month, every quarter. This isn't one of those. So there's a decent chance that this guy knows something maybe the general market does not, and he's trying to take advantage of that by picking up the stock early. Now, we dive in on this chart. You'll notice we're beginning to see a pickup in volume down here on the bottom. So a nice big surge coming up here to stock from 33 to 36, about a 9 or 10% move. Of course, that day it retraced a bit and is now beginning to push back higher. So I think the stock looks really good. Again, it is. If we look at the momentum of this stock, it's nearly doubled over the last 12 months. We're within spitting distance, about 4.5% from the 52-week high up here, and obviously we hit new highs, and this stock could really propel further should it continue this increase in volume and the acceleration of the price action. So I'm recommending that one just now if you want to learn more about it, as well as the other stocks in our portfolio and everything else the Insider Report team recommends for the next 12 months. Join the Insider Report service. If you don't know about it, click the link below this video. I've got some on-demand training. I'll walk through the entire methodology, how we find stocks, the best ones to select, when we take profits, where we use our stops, and why I believe this is one of the most effective ways to find stocks to invest in with fairly low risk, being bought up by those on the inside who know that company best.